Mark Zuckerberg just said one person with AI will replace an entire team by 2026. I'm a quality engineer, and that statement, it's got massive hole in it. But here's the thing, almost nobody actually checking whether it's true. News outlets repeat it like it's a fact. Tech tweeters celebrating it, managers are already planning around it. But literally no one is auditing whether it actually works. So what would a real audit even look like? And who's qualified to run it? Hi, I'm Swati. I'm a senior quality engineer. My job isn't to get excited about what AI can do. It's to ask what breaks when this hits production. And just so we are clear, this isn't me being anti-AI. This is me being honest about what AI actually delivers. This is not an anti-AI argument. AI absolutely explodes your output. But output and finished work, not the same thing. So let's break down what the claim is actually saying word by word. Here's the claim in plain English. AI agents generate so much output so fast that one person can do the work of 5, 10, maybe 15 people. And honestly, that output part is real. AI is generally scary good at one very specific thing. AI is amazing at producing draft, code draft, design, mocks, email, reports, analysis. Speed, unreal. Volume, unlimited. But all that volume has to land somewhere. And that's where this whole thing starts falling apart. Here's the question everyone's skipping. Who's actually checking all that? Not surface level, not optimistically. Who reviews it for real? Because review isn't optional. In every functional team, it's already baked into the process. In real teams, work doesn't just get made. It gets reviewed, validated, stress tested. That labor doesn't vanish just because AI showed up. So let's stop guessing and start actually auditing this thing. Alright, let's audit the solo team idea. Not emotionally, operationally. I found 4 structural risks in this model, and each one gets worse. Stay for all 4 because risk number 4 is the one nobody wants to talk about. Risk number 1, AI doesn't give you one answer, it gives you 50. A team spreads that review across multiple people. One person, they're drowned. Volume without distribution isn't productivity, it's noise. And it's not just the volume, it's who's doing the reviewing. No independent verification. In real teams, people review each other's work. They catch what the original person can't see. But when one person reviewing their own AI outputs, that's not verification. That's confirmation biased with extra steps. And even if they could review everything, there is an entire layer of information that they don't have access to. Context collapse. Everything looks fine until it's not. AI doesn't know what charged. AI doesn't know what changed last week. It doesn't know the internal politics. It can't see the invisible constraint. Team carries context. AI agents don't. Context is invisible, but this next risk, you can actually measure it. And the maths doesn't work. Quality analyst doesn't scale linearly. Risk 4, this is the quiet one. You can scale AI generation instantly, but review time, that still costs human attention. And one person cannot audit 10 people's worth of work. Period. 4 risk, all real, all structure. So what does that mean for the original claim? So is Zuckerberg wrong? No. But the claim is dangerously incomplete. So what's the real version that actually true? AI doesn't eliminate teams. It shifts where you need them. Less time producing, more time judging, more time reviewing, more responsibility. That's not a downgrade. That's what the future of work actually looks like. The future isn't solo operators. It's smaller teams with stronger judgment. And that's exactly the standard of this channel holds everything to. Audit before you trust. On this channel, I don't hype AI, I audit it because human judgment still matters. See you in next audit.